Friends, welcome to our channel in-house ERP. So today I'm going to show you how to do formatting of text. So before start the video, please do like, share and subscribe this channel so more useful content will come to you. So let's come. This is our Excel sheet. So first, where is font section? So this comes under home tab and next to clipboard, that is font. So we cover this topic in this video, font. So it is basically for formatting of text. This section give bold, italic, underline, font size, font type, increase font size, decrease font size, fill background color or text color. So all these functionality consist in this font section. So I will teach you in practical on my database. First, we need to write serial number, name, address, gender, phone number. This is dummy data. I will apply all the functionality consist in this font section on the data I am inputting now, so that all you are better understand the concept. This is address, this is gender, in my previous video I cover the clipboard section, copy, format painter. If you want to learn, please refer my previous videos. I will give link in my description box of this video. So this is font type. First functionality is font. There are many type of fonts in this font function. Different type of fonts available. You see, Right now I am applying Bookman Old font. Now I am increasing the font size of the selected content. So I make it 16. Font size is 16. We can increase or decrease the font size. Now I am making heading of this table is bold. Yes. Now second option is italic. This makes our data italic, and now I'm underlining the words, so click on U, that is underline the text. Now this option gives border. There are many facilities available. All lines border or outline borders only. This is all line border. Outer border of the table, make it dark. This is eraser border. It erases the particular border line. You see, like this. This is line color. You can give color to a specific line of the border. These are border patterns, dotted patterns, dotted line, bold lines. All these patterns you can apply according to your choice. Now we come on to make the background color, to filling the background color like this. The background of the text will change through this function, fill color. And the next option is to change the color of text. Only text, not background. Hmm, I will choose this color. So it only change the text color. This is also option to increase, yes, increase font size, big A or small a, and through small a decrease font size. This is also option. So friends, in this video you learn how to format the text through font section. It comes under home tab. So thanks for watching this video. If any friends wants any video regarding to your choice, so please comment in the comment box of this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.